I want to talk to you today about the Trax app, which Tesla provide. This Trax app allows you to produce music in your car. So if you're sitting around charging, waiting for a mate, not only can you play music, but you can make it. What I think is really incredible about the Tesla is the fact that they include a 15-speaker sound system as a standard in the Model 3.
Bruh.
If you want this sound system in an Audi R8, you got to pay an extra $12,000.
Insane, guys. So I bailed my producer. I told him, yo, we got a Tesla for one day. We're gonna go drive to meet him and get him to make a track.
This is the studios, mate, called Maynard Studios.
Nice, cheers. This is your studio, this is nice.
Yeah, man, this is where we make all the beats. So I make mainly R&B, trap, Afrobeats. Sean was telling me a bit about like how you can make beats in the car, and then I don't know if there's some recording capability as well, but regardless, I'm just looking forward to trying it out.
So this is your natural habitat, isn't it, Washington?
It is. I come in the evening, man. This is the mic. I record all the sick melodies. You get me, bro?
I'm ready for the Tesla.
Say now, man.
Show
Let's
me
go,
what I want, man.
Let's
Show
go,
me what
man.
I
Let's
want.
hit it. Let's hit it.
So should we have a little drive first before we start making anything?
Yeah, let's do it, man. Yo, let's see what this car's got, man. I like that. This Tesla has got power.
That's serious.
That's got some power.
Let me know. We need to find a nice spot to park up, make some tunes. I got a little surprise, like my friend Nuala is an incredible singer and she's available tonight. So
okay, sick.
I was thinking maybe you could make something and then we could go pick her up. Only thing is, we need to pick her up in 50 minutes.
50 minutes.
So can you make us a track in half an hour?
I can't guarantee anything, but I think we'll be able to put something together for sure. So show me the ropes.
So I've had a little go. So if we start something, you choose your drum kit type, and you've got the 909s. 808 I know is a classic drum kit used in a lot of hip hop, right? Standard kit, power kit, techno kit. I like techno. Adding melody, you can add another instrument, you can add another track. So you can then bring some melody in by choosing one of these instruments here.
Normally I get like a melody that I think works, and then I'll start just adding layers, drums, like maybe some percussion, maybe a kick, snare, and then kind of just build it out from there.
Is that working to plan?
Yeah, but then I want another chord progression to come in, like, so like, and then.
That little start, man. That sounds kind of
Out there.
moody.
We just got Nuala on the phone here. Hey.
She feels the energy.
Can we make it 9:30? Does that work?
Yeah, that's fine.
Wicked.
Cool, half an hour. It's time to pick up the tempo a bit.
Shoot it.
Oh, like,
Oh dear. I hope that didn't crash. Oh,
that's tight.
oh, that is annoying.
It's back to 140.
No.
And the whole project might be gone. I'm just putting that out there. We might have lost everything just now.
Oh, Tesla's apps crashed on us.
All my hard work is gone. It's
Well,
gone.
how long have you got as well?
We don't have long.
Alright, let's see what we can do.
Where did that go?
Hey.
Lost the lights. Zip. Yeah.
I really want to see how that goes in that.
Yeah. Nuala is she's a brilliant singer. She just had one of her songs on Love Island. That's like her big break, and she got like 1 million hits on one of her
Wow,
tracks.
that's
So
amazing.
9 o'clock. So if we cruise in like 5-10 minutes, we'll be on time.
Like the interface, the usability was harder than I thought it would be, but I'd say the reality of using something like Trax is we're not trying to make hit records, we're just trying to have fun.
Nice one. Hello.
Hello again.
How you doing, right?
Nice to meet you, Nuala.
Paris, nice to meet you.
So we've got a nice spot and we're going to try and give you guys a little performance. Nuala has prepared some lovely lyrics at the bus stop while waiting for us. So yeah, Nuala, you're up in the driver's seat. Let's see what you think of what he's made.
Everything just feels nice, doesn't it? as
I
well?
could do one of these.
Tell me about
I could
it.
do one of these, honestly.
Aw,
Some peaceful vibes.
like it.
What do you think of the app, Nuala?
It's really cool. Pick me up in your shiny red Tesla. We're going uptown. We never felt better. This kind of luxury don't last forever. Sometimes like this, yeah, we might as well treasure. Foot down, head into concrete jungles. Hear the sound of melodies and bass rumbles. We like it loud, but we don't wanna cause trouble. We stand out, might look flashy, but still humble. They say, get a train, I'd rather drive, guilt-free, in my new ride, with my friends, into the night. Got no liquor, but we're still feeling high. High, high, yeah, in my new drive, yeah, drive, we're feeling high,
That's crazy.
Yo,
Cool.
Electroheads, man. You should know the lyrics by now. This is the sickest sing-along. Nuala did her thing. Paris did his thing. And it was very limited time. But we want you guys to join in for the next rendition. So we're going to play it one more time, yeah? But I want you guys to be singing. One more time for the subscribers to join in. Let's get it. What should we call this?
This is all done on the spot. This is all just the complete improvisation melodies. I wrote this at the bus stop, and now we're here. And it was written in 5 minutes, but
Genius, man.
it's alright, I think. Yeah, so let's do it. Okay.
It's a hit song, in my opinion.
It's a hit song.
You made it.
Alright, okay. Pick me up in your shiny red Tesla. We're going uptown, we never felt better. This kind of luxury don't last forever. Sometimes like this, yeah, we might as well treasure. Foot down, head into concrete jungles. Hear the sounds of melodies and bass rumbles. We like it loud, but we don't trouble. We stand out, might look flashy, but still humble. They say get a train, I'd rather drive guilt-free in my new ride with my friends into the night. Got no liquor, but we're still feeling high. We're still feeling high tonight in my new drive. High.
Can you hop in my ride?
In the Tesla, my shiny Tesla, yeah. With Washington on the microphone and Paris on the beat, yeah. Mojas on the camera. Give it up, Moja. What? Yeah. Ooh. What? What?
Yeah. That's you. Hey, look. Big up. Big up.
Okay, that
Big
was
up, big
sick.
up, big up, big
You
up.
guys are too talented,
Hey, you
man.
lot,
You
man.
guys are too talented.
Speak yourself.
We're gonna fade it out. We're fading it out.